Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q3 S-line 40 TDI Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Glacier white metallic paintwork to just really give it that standout road appearance. With this being a part of the approved use range, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now, looking towards the key features, this vehicle is the S-line trim level, which does mean it benefits from the S-line styling such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the privacy glass as well as the chrome accents. Moving to the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now looking down towards the alloy wheels, we find these S-line specific 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design wheels, in which you really complement that lovely Glacier white paintwork. To the side of this Q3 now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as continuing the black and white theme. Moving into the rear boot space of the Q3 now, where we find up to 530 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for an SUV of this size, and it can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear now, we do find a fantastic interior finished with leather and also the cloth seat centres. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, making this vehicle perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-line styling, such as these two-tone leather seats with the S logos. Looking above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, it does allow access to navigation, telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature satellite navigation and allows access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi Q3 S-line, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.